Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best latch hook rugs are probably one of the most satisfying and rewarding DIY crafts you can pick up as an adult, offering a wonderful way to de-stress, unleash your creativity, and end up with a beautiful, handmade piece of home decor that you can be proud of. Imagine transforming simple yarn into a vibrant, textured rug that reflects your personal style, whether it's a cozy accent for your living room, a playful mat for your entryway, or even a unique wall hanging. This craft is accessible to beginners yet offers endless possibilities for experienced crafters to explore intricate designs and advanced techniques, making it a perfect hobby for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their living space. Number 5. LUBOT 20x15 Wolf Latch Hook Kit. Embark on a new and exciting hobby with our novelty latch hook rug kit. It's a perfect, portable activity for anyone, anywhere. Our kit is designed for ease of use, with clear, illustrated instructions suitable for both children and adults. Creating your own colorful masterpiece is truly effortless. This versatile DIY project offers endless possibilities for home decor. You can use it to embellish floors, walls, sofas, or even create unique pillows and mats. We've thoughtfully included all the necessary tools to craft plush, textured mini rugs. Get started immediately with the printed canvas, yarn, and crochet hook. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, and many other special occasions. What we like? This kit is perfect for those who want to start a new hobby on the go. It includes everything you need to begin immediately, making it incredibly convenient. If you are looking for a portable and complete craft experience, this is the one for you. What people say? The rug is a good size and the colors are vibrant. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the yarn, the canvas, and the hook. It's a fun and relaxing way to create a beautiful rug. Number 4. MIAOLLUN Latch Hook Rug Kit, Sunflower. Introducing our latch hook rug kit featuring a beautiful sunflower pattern. The canvas is pre-printed with a colorful design, making it incredibly easy to follow along. Unlike other kits, this one has a clear, printed pattern. You'll know exactly where each color yarn goes, ensuring a smooth crafting experience. This kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic way to create lasting memories through a fun, hands-on activity. Enjoy this engaging retro chic hobby anytime, anywhere. It's a perfect DIY project for individuals or a delightful family activity. Making your own rug is easy and fun. Simply loop, hook, and pull the yarn. It's a rewarding activity for everyone to enjoy. Once completed, the possibilities are astounding. Use your creation as a rug, wall hanging, pillow, or even a seat cushion. What we like? Featuring a vibrant, pre-printed canvas, this kit makes it exceptionally clear where each color yarn should go. It's designed for ease of use, even for those new to the craft. If you're a beginner or want a fun family activity, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the canvas, yarn, and a hook. The finished rug is soft and durable, perfect for high-traffic areas. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. Christmas Santa Latch Hook Rug Kit. Create a beautiful 3D Santa Claus rug with this easy-to-use latch hook kit. Perfect for adding a festive touch to your home decor. This unfinished rug kit offers a wonderful opportunity for handwork. It's a great way to spend quality leisure time, especially for the elderly. Embark on a new creative hobby with this novelty latch hook kit. It's an ideal activity for travel, allowing you to craft anywhere. This is a DIY unfinished kit that you complete yourself. Invite friends or family to join in for a memorable and fun crafting experience. Our kit includes simple, illustrated instructions that are easy to follow. Creating your own colorful masterpiece is effortless with our step-by-step directions. Are you ready for a new challenge? Begin your crafting journey today with this engaging and rewarding latch hook kit. What we like? This option offers a festive Santa Claus design, perfect for holiday decor. It's highlighted as an ideal pastime for seniors, providing a fulfilling way to spend leisure time. If you're seeking a seasonal project or a mindful activity for older adults, consider this kit. What people say? The rug is a great beginner project, with clear instructions and pre-cut yarn. The finished rug is surprisingly soft and durable, holding up well to foot traffic. The variety of colors included in the kit allows for creative designs and a beautiful final product. Number 2. LAPATAIN Flower Car Carpet Embroidery Hook Rug Kit. This kit provides everything you need to get started, including a color instruction manual, a printed pattern canvas, a crochet hook, and various bundles of yarn. Our kit is designed for ease of use, featuring simple illustrated instructions and a color-coded canvas to make your DIY project convenient and beginner-friendly. Looking for a thoughtful present? This is a great gift for family and friends, suitable for holidays and festivals, making it a perfect choice for anyone. Transform your living space with this versatile craft. It can be used to create pillows, doormats, pet rugs, tapestries, and more for your home decor. This is an unfinished embroidery set that you complete yourself, offering endless creative possibilities. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. What we like? With a color-coded printed canvas, this kit simplifies the DIY process, making it very beginner-friendly. It's designed to help you create beautiful home decor items with ease. If you prioritize a straightforward crafting experience and want to enhance your living space, this is a great pick. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including the canvas, yarn, and a hook. The finished rug is surprisingly soft and looks great as a decorative piece. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 1. Latch Hook Kit's DIY Rug Craft Kit. Ready for a new creative challenge? This kit provides everything you need to begin your next project. All the tools and materials are included, so you can start crafting right away. Our kits are designed for simplicity, with clear, illustrated instructions. Both kids and adults can easily follow the step-by-step directions to create their own colorful masterpiece. Create a beautiful rug or other home decor items with this versatile kit. The included canvas and yarn allow you to make pillows, cushions, wall hangings, and more. Give a gift that truly expresses your heartfelt wishes. This DIY kit is a unique and thoughtful present for children, parents, friends, or partners for any occasion. This is a wonderful opportunity for family bonding through crafting. Enjoy creating together, or make a special handmade gift for someone you care about. Everything you need is in the box: color printing mesh canvas, drawing accessories, color cards, and pre-cut yarn. Get ready to dive into your new favorite hobby. What we like? This kit stands out with its generous size, offering a more substantial project for those seeking a greater challenge. It comes with soft yarn and all necessary tools for immediate crafting. If you're an experienced crafter or looking for a larger, rewarding project, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The yarn is soft and the colors are vibrant, making the finished rug look professional. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The kit includes all the necessary materials, so you don't need to buy anything extra. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.